The United States is one of the leading peanut producers, with most crops grown in Georgia, Alabama, Florida, Texas, and South Carolina. Peanuts are a staple in American agriculture, contributing to a multi-billion-dollar industry. Farmers utilize advanced farming techniques, precision equipment, and decades of experience to ensure a bountiful harvest each season. Let's dive in and see how they make it all happen. Peanut farming starts with selecting high-quality seeds. Farmers use specially cultivated peanut seeds that are resistant to diseases and optimized for high yield. The seeds are usually shelled peanuts that haven't been roasted or processed in any way. Before planting, the soil must be carefully prepared. Peanuts thrive in sandy, well-drained soil with a pH between 5.8 and 6.5. Farmers often conduct soil tests to check for nutrient levels and apply fertilizers to ensure the best growing conditions. In many cases, organic matter such as compost or cover crops is incorporated into the soil to improve its structure and fertility. Once the soil is ready, it's time for planting. In the US, peanut planting typically begins in April or May when the soil temperature reaches at least 65 degrees Fahrenheit 18 degrees Celsius. Farmers use precision seeders to plant peanuts in neat, even rows about 1 to 2 inches deep. These machines ensure proper spacing, allowing each plant enough room to develop underground pods. The spacing between rows can vary depending on the peanut variety and farming practices, but generally, rows are spaced around 30 inches apart. Some farmers also use GPS-guided tractors for even more precise planting, optimizing efficiency and reducing seed waste. Irrigation plays a crucial role in peanut farming, especially in areas with inconsistent rainfall. Farmers use advanced irrigation systems like center pivots or drip irrigation to keep moisture levels consistent. Peanuts require approximately 1 to 1.5 inches of water per week, especially during flowering and pod development stages. Too much or too little water can affect yield, so farmers carefully monitor moisture levels using soil sensors and weather data. After a few weeks, peanut plants start to emerge, developing lush green foliage. Around 30 to 40 days after planting, the plants produce bright yellow flowers. This is a critical stage because peanut plants have a unique growth process. Unlike most crops, peanuts do not develop from flowers above the ground. Instead, the flowers self-pollinate, and once pollination occurs, a small stem called a peg forms. This peg grows downward into the soil, where the peanuts begin to develop underground. This fascinating process, called geocarpy, makes peanut farming distinct from other legume crops. Weed control and pest management are essential during this phase. Farmers use a combination of mechanical cultivation and herbicides to keep weeds from competing with peanut plants. Some farmers prefer sustainable practices, such as crop rotation and cover cropping, to naturally suppress weeds and improve soil health. They also monitor for pests like thrips, aphids, and nematodes, which can damage crops and reduce yields. To manage pests, farmers often use integrated pest management (IPM) techniques, which include introducing beneficial insects like ladybugs and lacewings, using trap crops, and applying selective pesticides only when necessary. As the season progresses, peanut plants continue to grow and spread across the field. Around 100 to 150 days after planting, the plants begin to show signs of maturity. The leaves turn yellow, signaling that the peanuts underground are ready for harvest. To determine the perfect harvest time, farmers often pull up sample plants and inspect the pod's outer shells for maturity. If the outer shell is dark brown and firm, it means the peanuts are ready. Harvesting is a two-step process. First, a machine called a digger lifts the peanut plants from the soil and flips them upside down, exposing the peanuts to dry in the sun for several days. This drying process, known as curing, is crucial as it reduces moisture content and prevents mold growth. Once the peanuts have dried, combine harvester separates the peanuts from the vines. The harvested peanuts are then transported to processing facilities, where they are cleaned, sorted, and further dried if needed. Some peanuts go to shelling plants, while others are processed into peanut butter, oil, or snacks. Strict quality control measures ensure that only the best peanuts make it to market. Peanuts are also tested for aflatoxins, a type of mold toxin that can be harmful if present in high amounts. The U.S. Department of Agriculture, USDA, sets strict safety standards to prevent contamination. American peanuts are known for their high quality, and the industry continues to evolve with modern innovations. Many farmers now use sustainable practices such as conservation tillage, which reduces soil erosion, and cover cropping, which improves soil health. Research is also being conducted to develop peanut varieties that are more drought-resistant and have higher nutritional value. And that's how American farmers grow peanuts from seed to harvest. It's an incredible process that requires skill, patience, and modern technology. From careful seed selection to the final harvest, every step is designed to maximize yield and quality while preserving the environment. If you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look at peanut farming, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment below. What part of peanut farming surprised you the most? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.